Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a Fitness Sunday, where every single Sunday I give you guys a fitness video. So today's video is going to be all about my weight loss for the month of January, because January is pretty much over. The last day is on Tuesday, so I thought why not just give you guys a recap of how this month went for me, my first month in my weight loss journey. So yeah, if you guys want to hear about it, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so it is January the 29th. There's only 2 more days left of January, and I am down a total of 15 pounds. So, well, it's really 14 pounds, but I'm pretty sure in the next 2 days I'll drop another pound. So it'll be officially 15 pounds by February 1st comes. If it's not, then for sure next Sunday I'll come and clear it up. But I'm just gonna say I've lost 15 pounds in 1 month, and I'm really happy about it. I mean, I wish it was more. Obviously, you want more weight to be lost in a small amount of time, but I am pretty happy with my 15 pounds. So yeah. Okay, so like I mentioned in my last video, my starting weight was 289 pounds. I am currently 275 pounds. But I know that probably by, the next 2 days, I'll drop a pound and be at 274. So that'll be a total of 15 pounds. That's 15 pounds, right? 76, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 1 more pound. So it's 14 pounds right now, but I'm pretty sure in the next 2 days it'll be 15 pounds. So yes, I'm so happy and so excited and glad that I'm 15 pounds down, and not 15 pounds up. Losing weight is definitely better than gaining weight. So yeah. So what have I been doing this month? I've been working out from home. Like I mentioned to you guys before, the gym is opening up in February. It opens this Wednesday. So it opens in the next 3 days. So I can finally start going to the gym and working out. And I feel that when I start going to the gym, I feel like I'll lose a lot more weight because I'll get a proper workout in. Like, I'm going to be honest with you guys, the at-home workouts, like doing that at home, do like a cardio video or whatever on YouTube, or if it's like a DVD or something, I honestly feel like working out at the gym does more for me than working out at home. Like, an at-home workout doesn't feel like a real workout to me. I feel like going to the gym and getting on the machines is a better workout, at least for myself, just because when I do an at-home workout, like, if I get tired, I like stop and wait for my heart rate to go all the way back down before I like continue going. Like, don't get me wrong, I go hard. Like, I try to push my endurance as much as I can, but a gym workout just seems like it'll do better for me. So I'm hoping for the month of February, I will lose more than 15 pounds for the whole month. So yeah, I'm hoping for that. But yeah, I've been doing at-home workouts, and I've changed my diet completely from how I used to eat before. I eat a lot more veggies than I did before. I never even used to eat veggies before, let's be honest. And I'm actually eating veggies now. So my dinners are usually chicken and veggies, or eggs and vegetables. Sometimes I might have a little bit of rice. So I'll have rice and chicken. But for the most part, I've been trying to cut out rice, because when it comes to portion control, I'm not really good with it, at least before I was. So that's why I kind of cut out rice completely, because I used to consume a whole bunch of rice. So now I just eat a lot of vegetables and chicken, and I eat out of a smaller plate. So I actually eat in a little like children's size bowl pretty much, just so that I don't consume too much in terms of portion sizes. I have been counting my calories, like I've been telling you guys. I used to use my FitnessPal to count my calories. But now I kind of just keep a mental count of my calories. I don't necessarily have to use the app anymore, just because I eat practically the same thing every single day. So if what I ate yesterday was 1,200 calories and I'm eating the same thing tomorrow, it's 1,200 calories again. And I've kind of just learned to kind of eyeball or mentally note how much calories I'm taking. So that's what I've been doing, and it's been working for me so far. But I do recommend, if you do want to count your calories, check out my FitnessPal. It's a free app on Android and iOS. Great tool if you want to count your calories. So I highly recommend my FitnessPal. So yeah, so I've been counting my calories and making sure I'm eating less than 1,500 calories for the day. Now, to be honest, sometimes your girl be craving food. She knows she's not supposed to eat. So sometimes for lunch, you know, when I'm at work, I might go with my coworkers and we might get, you know, a burrito or something that's more than the calories I usually intake. And when that happens, I just try to compensate for it when I work out in the evening. It's all about give and take. If you consume a little bit more calories, you just have to burn off a little bit more calories. That's how I like to look at it. I don't want to deprive myself of foods that I love because that's just not realistic for me. Okay, I love McDonald's, and usually when I have my cheat meals on the weekend, I get McDonald's because I love McDonald's. I just make sure I go hard in my workout to kind of compensate for the extra calories. So yeah, I do not deprive myself of my favorite food. I love fast food. You guys, I'm not even gonna front, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to eat a ton of fast food before I started my weight loss journey, and there's no way I can get rid of it absolutely cold turkey. So I do have my cheat meals on the weekend, and I'll have McDonald's or Popeyes or pizza or whatever, but that's only on the weekends. And during the week, I try to stay as on my diet as much as I can, eating my vegetables and counting my calories, so that on the weekend I can actually eat whatever I want to eat. So the weekends I usually eat what I want to eat. If I know I'm going to eat something really big, I'll just be sure to eat very, very healthy in the morning. So for example, yesterday I had pizza for dinner yesterday, pizza, fries, and wings actually for dinner yesterday. And during the day, like in the morning, all I had was a salad because I knew I wanted to keep my calories for the night. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you just have to do give and take. But yes, I still enjoy the foods, the bad foods that I know I'm not supposed to be eating, but I still enjoy them and try to incorporate them in my diet. So something that I recently started, I actually started on the 26th of January, is intermittent fasting. Now, I just started doing this. And so far, it seems to be helping because since I've started it, I've lost like a pound every single day. But what intermittent fasting is, it's pretty much fasting for a period of time and then eating within a certain period of time. So I do the 16-8 method of intermittent fasting. So I fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. I don't eat. And then between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. I do eat. So intermittent fasting is nothing new. I'm somebody who used to skip breakfast all the time, so I've always kind of been intermittent fasting and didn't know that I was intermittent fasting, but I was eating the wrong food, so that's why I wasn't losing weight, I was gaining weight. But now I am, you know, drinking water during the morning, trying to get my water intake in, and then eating between my 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. slot, and then I'm fasting. And majority of the time that I'm fasting, I'm sleeping. I'm pretty much sleeping by like 10 o'clock. Wake up at 5 for work, and then I'm at work just sipping on my water or whatever. If it becomes really, really bad and I feel extremely hungry, like I cannot wait till 12, I'll drink a cup of hot chocolate. We have a hot chocolate machine at work, so I'll drink a cup of hot chocolate. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You need the energy. And the thing is, I just started it, so my body's kind of like, whoa, like, where's the food? Where's the food? So I know with time it'll become easier. My body won't necessarily be very hungry, but you know, this week has been really, really good in terms of my intermittent fasting. It'll be more in depth in my February videos just because it'll be going on a little bit longer and I can tell if it really is working for me or not. But as of right now, it seems to be helping because even though I had that pizza last night, I still was down a pound this morning. So fingers crossed that it continues to work for me. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I don't really have a lot to share with you guys. But I'm thinking about maybe doing like weekly vlogs in terms of my weight loss. Every day I can kind of just come on here and let you guys know how my day went. Let me know if you guys are interested in that, and then I can just put all the clips together for the Sunday fitness video. One portion will be like my vlogs, and the next portion will be like me sitting down and talking to you guys. So let me know if you guys are interested in that. I will insert some pictures to see if you guys can possibly see a difference. I personally do not see a difference. I mean, I see maybe a little tiny difference, but not 15 pounds gone worth of a difference. But I see myself every day, so chances are I'm not really going to see the results that much. I have other people telling me that they see results though, so that's really good and really exciting. But yeah, you guys, it's been going pretty good so far. I won't lie. There's days where I just want to eat all the bad things in the world. I don't want to follow my diet. I mean, that's normal. I'm human. I'm not perfect. There's days where I just do not want to work out. I don't want to eat veggies and chicken or veggies and eggs. I want McDonald's. I want Popeyes. I want all the wrong foods. I want to eat chocolate. I want to eat chips. You know, that happens. And I just try to fight through it. I just try to drink some water. Anytime I feel that way, I just try to drink some water and go to my bed. Like, that's what I honestly try to do. Just keep myself away from the things I know I'm not supposed to eat. So anytime I get like a super, super bad craving for something really sweet or chocolate or chips, like, I just drink a bottle of water and go to my bed. Because I don't want to start to snack on things I know I'm not supposed to snack on. Sometimes I do give in. I'm not going to lie. Sometimes I do give in and I might have a little something that I know I'm not supposed to eat. But like I said, I always try to compensate back for it the next day. So yeah, what else could I say? I also drink a ton of water. I drink about 2 liters of water a day. For my American babies, I do not know what that equals out to in gallons. When I upload the video, I will probably put it on the screen though, but as of right now, I don't know what that equals to in gallons. But I do drink 2 liters of water a day, equivalent of 4 500 ml water bottles. So yeah, I drink at least 2 liters of water a day, and it's really been helping to clear out the toxins in my body. I do notice a difference in my skin. I do have a little bit of foundation on right now, so you probably can't tell, but for sure when I start my little mini vlogs and stuff, you guys, I can do like a comparison on my skin. So February 1st, I will do a picture of my skin, and then at the end of February I can show you guys like what my skin is looking like. But I do see a difference in terms of my face, in terms of it being clearer and not so much dark spots around my face anymore. So yep, my weight loss is going good so far. 15 pounds down. Really excited. I'm super excited for February because I can finally go to the gym and actually work out and weight train. So I think I'm gonna see a lot of results in February. If I can lose 15 pounds every single month, then that'll be perfect for me. Like 15 pounds every month. 2 months I'll be down 30 pounds. Then in 3 months I'll be down 45 pounds, which will put me to my halfway mark of losing 80 pounds. So I'm just hoping I can continue to push hard. It's not easy though. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy, but I'm still doing it. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Leave any questions or comments down below, and do not forget to follow me on my social media accounts. I will have them somewhere on the screen, but they're always down below in the description box, so definitely check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.